Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, as you can see, I just washed my hair and now it's time for me to follow up with the deep conditioning process, which is probably one of my favorite parts of washing my hair, is adding the moisture back to it and just getting it to be really soft again. So I'm going to be trying out the Avocado Deep Conditioner by Natural Club. They sent this product to me and I was super excited because I've heard so many great things about it and I couldn't wait to finally get my hands on it and see what the experience would be like. So first I'm going to struggle to open the bag a little bit. When I opened it, I immediately could smell the essential oils that they use, which was really nice, really pleasant, not offensive at all. And what shocked me was the consistency of this mask. When it comes out, it's like so thick and so rich. I didn't expect that, and there are no lumps in it. There are no kind of like chunks of avocado or anything. It's really smooth, and there's a surprising amount of slip to it. Not to say that you should detangle your hair with this mask, but it really just glides through your hair. And for me, my hair is so kinky. If I can find a product that will glide through my hair, I'm almost always sold. So I was really pleased about that. And I really wanted to make sure that I was coating my hair thoroughly. Like I said, my hair is very kinky, so if I don't really get in there and separate and section my hair and make sure that I am really applying it meticulously, then I'm gonna miss some spots. So I try not to miss any spots. And it's basically winter now, so I feel like this deep conditioner is exactly what my hair needed. It's so moisturizing, like I can't even stress that enough, how moisturizing this mask is. My hair was like more moisturized than it's felt in a really long time, so it was just a really good reminder of how moisturized my hair can be and that I should probably start stepping it up. So I'm just going to speed things up a little bit as I finish the other half of my hair. I was really happy that I had more than enough of the deep conditioner left. I was a bit skeptical at first as to whether or not there was enough in that small package, but obviously I had more, and I'm just going to go ahead and coat the remainder on my ends and the rest of my hair. Another really nice thing about this kit is that they provide you with a plastic cap, which is just the perfect added touch. You're basically getting everything you need to deep condition your hair. I'm going to leave this cap on for about 30 minutes and I'll come back with my hair rinsed and ready to go. Another thing that I received in this kit was this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Growth Serum. This one is infused with lavender oil. So I'm just going to apply a few drops to my hand and then gently massage that into a few areas on my scalp, like the front of my hair and the back of my hair, which tend to be the most sensitive and are prone to the most breakage for me. My results from using this mask were really great. I can't even say it enough how much I enjoyed this. My hair felt so moisturized, my curls were popping just a little bit more. I honestly didn't really have to use any products for styling my hair because it was just that moisturized. This deep conditioner pretty much did everything that adding additional products would have done to my hair, all in one step. So I really appreciated that it was so effective. As a final step, I'm applying some shea butter to my ends, which was also included in this kit. So that pretty much sums it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will also leave a link to Natural Club's website down below in the description box so you can visit and take a look at their products there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.